I'm getting married! I-17 Pro ethengwe cash 1 terabyte.
Inja.
Do you like the pictures, Mnyan Mom? Washa. Sayenza vele deep wathi uma so shaya unboxing. Ngitshengisa uma nogogo.
After lokho umfazi uyafa. Yabo usuka lesibongo uya lesibongo.
I'm leading on to this one, but this one is giving what? It's in Dovulela Mandre, Vulela Mandre. What's ready? So I want to put the unjani. I hope you're right. If you're seeing me for the first time, Kamalam Mandi Takiswa, and if you are already a subscriber, and if you too want to join the Maposa squad, Kululanji, just press on that subscribe button. Jenga Manji, road to 100k subscribers. I'm super excited. From Mfana to Mnyenwami, you were there from day one. Shout out to you. Now asihambe ke sihamba ngegaba zempilo hamba nami ke boza yami as ayingena emendweni washrele angikholwe kusho lokho angikholwe. So I'm super excited. I decided ukuthi the vlog length cutting editor, it was 2 hours. It was extremely long, so ngikhethe ukuyidivide into 2 parts. So the first part, which you're gonna see in this video, please expect my preparations to the actual day. Hamba nami nje sibheka zonke izinto soyidinga, my family's reactions to everything. Everything was so beautiful, Pozayami. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like manje because ngiyazi uzokhohlwa. Ngiyacela bandla. Grab that popcorn, grab labo masi, grab lalo gwinya, grab lawo maniknexi, wash ready and watch this video until the end. Uyayizindaba. Enjoy this vlog. Hey guys, me Johnny. I hope you're right. Today it is day. We shoot her on our new phone. 17 Pro Max. 17 Pro ethengwe cash 1 terabyte.
Inja.
So today it is umhla 16. It is a holiday and we don't know because ezinye indawo ziyavala. Excuse my hair, I'm gonna do my hair because we have a shoot in November, we have a Christmas shoot, but basically it's 4 days until the big day, and as some sort of something with Gigi was over there. So we're gonna go and buy missing things like upaskiti or the traditional stuff. Yeah, buka la outside I can see the white cars bouncing. I was go white. Hi, yinle. Shut up. Oh, phone. This is basically the first video esiyenza ngayo cabanga. Wesh crazy. Sibambi sazoba bahle kodwa khuleka. The lenga unani?
Oh, usemsazwe
Kayo nani?
Unalento le. Unesikhova phambili seshilo kuma.
Uyafana
Amabala.
Vele uyabala.
Sakho
So this one is also like with the design. This one doesn't have a design. I think I'm leading on to this one, but this one is giving what? It's giving Italy. I really like the white, guys. Yeah.
When are you shooting?
What the most purple and white? What's in jail? Go pizza, go pizza. Valentine. Ifuna nini? Uhamba nenethi ke mama. Oh, uhamba nenethi.
Uba imalini?
Uhamba nenethi. Oh, I really like these two baskets. Ano pick muhle. This is very nice. Penduka ji. Shaka phela. Kuyena awubufuna befuna wenzeni?
Mandisa. Awutselangeni. Round your foot. So yeah guys, we're done with my preps, but we ended up taking that blue one. But I had an issue with taking a blue pinafore. Because I wanted like it in red or something, but okay, Uti, it's fine.
It's not blue, it has a shades of
yeah. So yeah. So since we're going to Jean, okay. Sengiyawenza ikhanda manje nizongibona sengimuhle because tomorrow we have a Christmas shooting, okay, and I am bringing you guys along. I still hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Ngiyazi ukuthi it's ups and downs. Kade nangigcina seningibona namhlanje sesenza ama preps. Camera yethu ifile ka store. Siyabuya yabona nje kuningi but yonke into izohamba kahle. La engiyenza khona ikhanda lami, it's so not safe. So I'm thinking of leaving my phone and taking my old phone with me. So ngiyacela bandla nizombona sengimuhle sengiyi-Beyonce sengitransformile. Happy birthday Beyonce. Beyonce. We just arrived back from our hair appointment and this is the hair. This is how it looks. I really love it. I don't know how I feel about that, but I really like this vibe going on now. I really love it. Again, we're gonna have our shoots. We also just got food from Katsula Doom. I got isitambu nosu, umfana gods, umleqe nojik. So yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. We're gonna get glammed up. So we have a makeup appointment in Ngoleveni, and then after that, issue sethu ngo4 with uNkanyesu. So I'm super excited. And I have a big surprise for you guys. Guys, sometimes I'm a surprise for Nina, and then I forget to tell you. Basically, we're gonna do a Christmas shoot and and a lobola shoot. We're gonna wear izinto zethu esizoyigqoka, and then you guys will basically see the things like soyigqoka nani izinto kodwa before the actual day, and then we're gonna take pictures, nice pictures. So I'm super excited. When I stay tuned, I hope you are still enjoying and like her video, like a magic, because you forget how. Okay, I still haven't told any of my friends about Lendo, so I'm probably gonna tell them on the actual day, and then we're gonna get like a reaction. Yabo, Vuyiswa, Inga, Bonkega, Mobile, all my friends and this is what Umvana's gonna have. He likes umleqe and ujeqa, but he's still gonna take a shower. So I'm gonna have his tambo, namasaladi, and this. I chose not to dish it up because sometimes mengi desha iyangumela and angakaceli ukudla yonke. Yeah, this is food from Tuladu, fresh, so fresh. Good morning.
this is the time. Today it is a Wednesday, and officially it is the shoots in Christmas and also le. So super excited because guys was added with like a human hair. I think this is the hair. Sekukhanya sekusekuseni, super excited. I am driving Vanna's car for the first time namhlanje. We're gonna go for my makeup appointment ingo 11. Liyashisa ilanga eThekwini. About this makeup is gonna melt off. So I made sure that I eat because musu makeup and then it creases na yonke leyo ndlela. Lapho i-shoot ingo 4. Can you imagine? Ingo 4 shooting nje from 12. So hlale makeup 4 hours and then we shoot. So we're gonna come back after doing the makeup, sizo ayina, and prepare for a shoot. Guys, I have arrived at my makeup appointment, Anna's car, and the ride was very scary because this is a sport car. So yeah, I said let's babon. Guys, I'm done with my makeup. Vanna is almost done. Now you say shop. We're just gonna come it. I'm gonna get my final clothes and prepare for the shoot. This is the time. Yeah. This is how I look, guys. It's time to make up. On the day, Ungosi is gonna be doing my makeup. I don't think I want her to do it like this. Just to tone it down because this is giving clam. Yeah. Then my lips are matte. I can't wait to have this shoot. I'm feeling very excited. Very excited, more especially because like most of his indozami zangumhlaka mcimbi wami, which is umhlaka 20 December. Says yahlangana. I just have to go home now and nami ngiyo-assist with amalungiselelo okuprepare, nami ngiwasha amawindi, nami ngiwasha amakhethini yabo. Everyone is hands on ekhaya every single day. They are shooting for me. Shout out to them, shout out to my mother for waking up everyone for 4 exen, 6 exen. Athi namhlanje kuyapendwa, namhlanje kuwashwa iphansi. I mean like outside on the floor. Yini lento le paving. Namhlanje kuyawashwa kuyapendwa. Shout out to them for the support. Ngiyabonga. If you guys are watching this, ngiyanthanda nina. However, so today sizoshoota masiqeda ukushoota, guys. I'm super excited for you guys to see outfit yami. I'll be wearing a red dress. Hey guys, le ngubo le ngikhethe yona because ngibona ngathi ipholile. I didn't want anything too formal and bengiqhathanisa nengubo eformal, and it was just not gonna vibe Christmas shoots. Besides even the vibe of the Christmas shoots, it sets up guys, sofa. It's very Christmassy, it's very casual, yabo. So hence ngikhethe yona. Umfana naye, he's done with his shopping. Kota, he's wearing a burgundy shirt. How I wish my dress was burgundy. Just compliments. And then yeah, ingubo yethu lesigqoka for umcimbi, blue and cream white, and eyakhe umfana, it is cream and blue. So yeah, see you very soon. Sengimuhle sisayodla manje. I bought us McDonald's. Boza sisigqokile manje sesiyahamba. We are in a rush. I mean, seyanetha manje guys, imagine from ukushisa kwasekuseni to ukunetha. I just want to quickly show you the OOTD. Got the dress from
whatever new. Makam.
Zara.
Yeah.
Ayabu wanaka. Ayabu. Snoko noko. Ayabu. Urongongo. Ayabu.
So manje Boza, we are actually going straight to town. Siyolanda umhlonipho wami. Mase ngigqoke yanto ngizogqoka. I can't even remember ukuthi ngagcine ngithi intombazana ngibhalela ukuthi makheswa kaNondaba noma ngabhala ukuthi becoming Mrs Zondi noma ngabhala ukuthi Mrs Zondi angisakhumbuli. And ama-chats ami got cleared because of ukushintsha kwamafoni. So shuthi surpriseka mina nani ngiyangibukisa kodwa angiseni nervous kanje ngizozwa ngihlala sto sen nervous sesoqala manje sesi-right sesoqala asibabi-ke babe kuthiwa ngisazoshintsha yini
Fila, Kamahita, Mandita, Rapakita, Unilever, Goborete, Inale.
sesiphakathi ema-live. This is gonna be the setup. Is it enough? Welcome to our Christmas shoot. Namhlanje ngihamba ngihamba nomkhenya. Namhlanje ngihamba no. So share Christmas shoot, and then you're gonna see us on the second shoot. Which is the spaghetti. So we're gonna
Better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
He's making a list, checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice.
So we're done with our shoots now. It's a wrap. What's gonna happen now? We're gonna go eat and come back for the second shoot. Yeah. So now we at Tiladoos. We have ordered. And then selling my drinks kancane just with isiqaqeke for any shoot because leyana nje. This is my first mimosa. Food hasn't arrived, but nkanye sisasibiza manje for the second shoot. So let's go.
Yeah, you can even twirl with it, yeah? You can twirl with it, yeah, it's fine. Yes.
These are nice, babe. Oh, I think I love these more. Ooh, Ajay. Ooh, Nizam get us in. Ooh, this one, Jay. Do you like the pictures, Myanmar?
That's okay.
This is our first reaction of this cafes. This is us before we get married.
One.
Especially because angeke isebenze for umshado ngaso sibonile. Angeke. Ya sesokhumula endlini. Sibonga kakhulu man ukanyiso.
Take it in.
It's so comfortable. I could go the whole day with this dress. It is just so comfortable. Hayi kukho la ibuhlungu khona baby.
Istimula soyosamba la eh.
Yeah, it's what do you want to say, Kwama boss?
It's Maposa. It's ready for the shoot.
Hey bo, it's happening, Boza.
Usuku olukhulu.
Hi bo, it's happening. One more lad. Get that. Even thinking about this. I think today is a Wednesday. So la namhlanje silaling on Thursday, silaling on Friday. Asagona malala. Asamaninga malala. Kulekan. We're gonna take you guys through our plannings. But mina into I'm gonna get the manje ukuthi ngibuyele ekhaya and help with all the preparations. But siyodla manje sinofana, and then angazi, I'll probably shoot a video just to reuse the makeup. But for now, Pozayami, so besibonani. Morning guys, namhlanje it is a Thursday and bengifisa ukunenzela like an unboxing of everything that I received. Namhlanje I also received a few packagings from a courier guy that I had bought for the lobola negotiations, but I couldn't do the unboxing because we have our helper, we are cleaner currently, so ngazisiya amdisturba manje seyimlona guys, this is what I got, this is what I got. So I'm meeting up with my mother. Everything's packed, it's inside the car. Sengiyikhaya ngisabuyela umfana shoot sesizibonani ngosuku la umcimbi mele enzile iqiniso guys. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngizoyiposta mina le vlog and it would be like a first one. Ikuthiwa lobola negotiations gone wrong. I was expecting the Bakongis, they didn't arrive, God forbid. But yeah, sengiyasho ke nje ukuthi so sisibonani ngosuku lomcimbi. Meeting my mother manje eChina Mall. We're gonna buy the missing things. Ngithengele nomamezala wami izinto ezongena phakathi kubasket. I'm super excited because spend the day with me. How got the vitamin shower toys I have with ma. How ma? Zazinhle mfethu. Oh, mfethu ngithanda sona ke leso. Ngishitshope. Thanda le? Na awe ma ingubo yakho mfethu. Bafethu nozena abahle umqhela ugcina on kanje. Aish boy. I-makeup nika weba. Nozena abahle. Hawe ma. Nizoyiposta ngalolo suku lezi tabam. Or something like that. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna wait for a week or what. We'll see. Sengifikile ekhaya. So shall I unboxing? And get their reactions. Ngizomtshengisa izinto engiyithengile la. Ala ngalo.
Okay. Yeah, mingane.
Ilo kamamezala. Hayi. I-tray. Tumayibo wasajabu. I-tray alhamdulillah lihamba with this beautiful chopping board.
Chopping board.
libhale isibongo sami. Samamezali, sikhathi. And then I got these wooden spoons and nazo, they are personalized. And lento ufaka ipuni phakathi boza. So ufaka nje. Ufaka nje. Wow. Ufaka nje ubeke kitchen yakho. Ubeke kanje. Nami nginazo ezami ibhala umakhezo. Personalized. And then I have, before they even feel but eat, kukhona this. Say what this is salala. It's a at-home diffuser vanilla. Oh, too. They smell very nice. Singayibeka neyodwa like her just for yeah. Eyoknuka isindlu ubona le. Imali kodwa uma uzosho ukuthi uyayithanda yini mengayithandi. Yeah, nala ekhaya ke kuzonuka kamnandi. The scent smells beautiful. It smells beautiful. Abafuni ukuthi uyivule. Kumele uzuyike kodwa before you are able to smell it. Okay, this is the bottle. Hey, gogo, ebo. Awubhalanga ngepeni gogo fethu.
Uqoshiwe. Ha.
It's like personal.
Ulapho wena boss.
It's embroidered, ma.
Embroidered.
Yona.
Udlule isikhathi nizenkohle lephuma. Liphinde lizenzekele lona lithi ka great ngempela
I have a penny.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like
Nali Pinifa. It was 150 rands. Pinifa ligana good. Oh, infanelan. Yes,
oh, bihle.
Yangi makoti. Makoti omfana. Oh, kawan.
Nazela lihle.
And
ulithengile ke lona.
Ngithenga qini. Sisi. Inani.
Phela kunedulo kulo. Dar como magol. Phela nga.
Ngiyadlala phela ngifasa kahle. Yeah. Yeah. Bengifuna no abantu engizoqasha nabo uthandiswa nothando. Nabo ngibatholele. Phela kodwa singabatholele kusasa. This namakazi ngivule lento le ngithenge eGoli. Ifike namhlanje so asivule. Ingubo yami ngibuli. Sibona ingubo yami. Uma sayibonile, so my dress is inspired by Amakhosi. It's this dress because I am in Gap. Because we were doing the shoot together. This is the dress.
Oh, closer.
Yes. So le ine ngithenga isikhafu nedubu lakhona lila. Sizobona today. Isikhafu sakhona nasi bangifakele ngishilo. Isikhafu si different.
Awubeke ngibona, awubeke.
So isikhafu sokuthi kuleya ngubo le. Leya ngubo le.
Asijwayelekile.
Nami into engiyibonile asijwayelekile.
Akuyona lento esiyithenga.
And then isinomasi ithenge eChina Mall i-brooch.
Oh, yeah.
Fake i-brooch hike. This kanjani?
Sihle. Naso China Mall.
But pity ke lesi angisilonanga gaza ngisi-embroidanga. Angazi maybe I'll do it. I don't know. But yeah. It's beautiful. Then ngithenge nalo. I really hope you girls love love lento le ngoba ngizophapasheni ngithenge lento. Hawu inayo ke vele yaqhubha uyaqhubha buka la asiqoqile. Ngiyabona ukuthi yini lento le? Scarf samakhoti. Amakhoti.
Yo,
Lomchomo. Uyachoma. Cha phela lo
umkhomo lokuswenga. Vele sekuyipinifa dress phela manje nampo ubusibaqoka ngey'nkomo.
Kodwa nje bakwenza kuhle begoqe bakufake kanje.
Haya,
Kuba ukuthi ulonile kodwa phela
cha right nje.
imesha nengubo yami lento.
Yeah.
And what else? Then then I have another scarf. I did this one. Siphuma namalona gogo. Siphuma nalo.
Native.
Yes.
Samaskata.
Nasi-ke boza.
Ngoba you becoming someone. Ave becoming Mrs. Zondi.
Washako.
Kahle. Ndaba.
Lesi yabo.
Ngiyabazi phela ngisho sidlini begane khona umntaka baba ngibazi kahle. Inkosikazi yakho neyingagigi yena uvovo umfanyana wakhe. Sihle ngendleleni. Becoming Mrs. Zondi.
Hey. Kuthoma kubhalwe ngamaphutha. Khona ma kujwayele ukuthi abanye bebhala ukuthi becoming Mrs. Z, becoming Mrs. T. Wathi UK nje ngeke. Bhala ukuthi Mrs. Z. Wathi ngicela kubhala ukuthi Mrs.
Cha kunankinga kuhle.
Yeah. And then yini enye?
I
think okugcina ke lo
abantu abazozegana kunabasebenzisa ingoma. Baqale bawusale.
Ngoba gazi kudinga imali shem lo imali engaka.
Imali. And then lokhu gogo, this came with the dress. Yes. Isikhafu futhi esini sengubo kodwa asiki ngibona asihloniphekile kakhulu. So ngasithi ngisho ukusithi yabo ukuthi amahlombeka awasakhavekile. Yabo esomswengo nje.
Gogo kuselile.
Kanti masifaka manje yini?
Cha ngisho phela ukuthi igqoke semanje. Engakayibusisi ukudlela.
Nanokuthi phela wena ungakwenza.
Ngithe uzongisurprise.
Okay ke. Ukugcina ke manje ke ibasket wami.
Hawu. Imayeni.
Tada. Uhamba nebo.
Nenet yakhona. Muhle. Kuhluba umamezalo wenqobo yoganganini ukuthola kwangalayo ukuzanela. Kuba lokhu kuyahamba konke. Lapha emnyango.
Something. Chosa sorted. Nama chases khona la. Chips, chocolate, chips, tea, juice, fruits, cream soda, and mommy's ice cream soda, chocolates, marshmallows.
Abanye abantu babu.
Ikhokhi yaza ngiyibona lana ma. Ibiltong.
Amakanya wathi.
Wenza nje usigqozo uzokwazi ukwenza kahle siyabongile.
Hayi. Sibongile wemabhoza sabatasa safisi sobe sinbo.
Preps, home preps are very fun. Yeah, ngizobe nginibone guys. Ozwa. Uma uthini? Ngeke usombiza UK ngobani?
Biza ngomfana.
Washa.
Sefikile phela le ekhaya.
Sayenza vele deal wathi uma uzombiza ngomfana until lize lihlale legama.
Yes. Sinezobumntanami. Ngikwenyana. Usengizokwazi ukumthuma. Ngamthuma kanjani umfana engamasi? Hayi umfana.
Akasayena nje umfana.
Hayi.
Liphelile umpapa.
Intombi yomfana isiphelile manje.
Ukuthi bonke lamabhoza angangibuza ethi wema
uMandizi
maye ngakalobolo ngenze njani ngathi mina hayi Angazi. Ade ngibuze ey'nsukwini amabhosa ngathi hawu.
Awu
Indaba ucabange kanjalo.
awu.
Athi hawu ma wavele wangaphendula ngathi hayi ngoyibona leyo ndaba mayisiyenze. Kodwa-ke igama lomfana
Seliphelile.
Ngemphinde nje. Babhadisa
nje umfana hayi.
Nami kwamavidiyo ami ngeke ngisasho ukuthi namhlanje ngihambe kade ngihamba nomfana. Sizothi namhlanje ngihambe kade ngihamba nomyeni wami. Nawakwami. Ugogo.
Mathuze sekuza ubaba wekhaya. Mase ngishada senguthi ubaba wekhaya.
Uthi ahambe kade ngihamba nobaba wekhaya. Besho insi. Hayibo. Ngabe ngisho uyazi umuntu atitshezile bambiza ngoba bathi dlala mkhwenyana. Zippy boys sanibonani. We amabhoza nenza nibe shy.
Amakhethini uwashe nalele.
Ma, ngizowasha ni?
Amakhethini nendwa.
Oh.
Hayibo phela uyakwazi ukwazi.
Ma crepes. Last day. Kusasa ziyakhala. Senzela mavi one more lala.
One malala bese nemfa. Ndawo phinti kubona.
Good morning guys, Ninchani. Today it is Friday, the day before the Imbi. Busy Nami, I haven't got like time to like vlog for everything, but it's also like up and down for my reels. Catch my kids in wash right and Johnny. Nami, I'm hands on. So when you want I'm to hey, go look at Disney phone. I'm from Gubanjal. Nami ngibhizi kakhulu kade ngiphuma ngisho ukuyowasha nje. Kezonibona isithando zami. Angibuzi le situation ukuthi ukwenze njani. Indlela sengishiselwa ngayo. This is the time I still have to go do my hair because I was trying on at my door and it doesn't make sense with the pom-pom. Usawugeza manje ngibeka amanzi. Siqedile ukucleana. It's a bit fresher. Still love this hairstyle and I feel like I say fresh and just recently bought a wash. Koni washa dele kona rekali feed. So we just want people sasa bearing in mind ukuthi khona into to cuts while they negotiate. Yeah, as for me, we do want it to take forever, but like not forever. We are born with TV. So, guys, it's the cards in Jengamanje with 21:56. It's 10 o'clock and Masbuya is salon no time. Guys, Maslindile Ekaya or Malume, they wanna have like a chat. Sisong Jam. Then oh my god, nowhere to be found. Oh my god, nowhere to be found. Oh my god, said to guys, angisayibona indlela. Ngiyayazi hlezi ngesaluni mina ngidrive ngibuye. Angisaboni. So guys, what's gonna happen now is besifika ekhaya sekuhlotshisiwe cabanga the deco ladies came. Bezosenzela like a small nyanya deco guys, nothing hectic, just for abakhongi bami ukuthi mase bedlele khona yabo. So the deco is there and nami ngizobe ngiqala ukuyibona nani. So yeah, a surprise ke sonke. Sizokhuluma mase ngisekhaya ke. I'm still training. Guys, it's Vile. It's happening. Ngiyashada. Sengiyahamba ngifuna untshengisa ke. Sanibona. Ubona mfundo? Sawubona sis. Ayibo. Beautiful. Uthi I hope I like it. Lapho kubukani guys. Injani into? Hayibo mfethu. Kwaze kwakuhle kakhulu sekangisabisa.
Uthe sithandazeke abakhongi bafike ngicela.
Ingubo yakho imesha nayo yabo
Amagalela siswedeko. Ngicela usho konje ubani nomfundo deko. Lalela sofaka la uyushuphu lo ngiyaqopha manje la. Awe ma. Oh my god. I'm actually gonna cry because what? Guys. Ivona. Ooh. God. It's happening.
Yes, uyazi ukuthi awukho.
Nashada sekhalwa ngani.
Uliswazi wakhumula lento ayigqokile lesontisa le plan. Baze bayivale pho. Cha uma kodwa njalo nje. Yazi ukuthi fanele kubekezelele iblock ngoba kuthiwa ngakho kuthiwa after lokho umfazi uyafa. Yabo usuka kulesibongo uyalesibongo. Yabo into yakhe leyo. Kwesinye isikhathi kufanele izinto zingabi lula ngaleyo nje. Iqala la.
Kusuze kuruba namkankuluke manje banomthetho.
No. Iyafana nelokhu ukuze kuthiwa ingane encane mayivele yasuka iyayiqondisa icathula incane igqoke iqondisa ukuthi khona something ezoba wrong. Bale kifa obanana nje. Hayi wena no banana yabo. Iright ingqondweni
So
yakhe.
if you could draw a circle inganayo
perfect khona something.
This is a hair. We still have a family meeting. I'm going to like up with 6 minutes go into makeup. Yes, I'm going to update. I got to some cleaning at the gym. I'm going 5 makeup appointment.
Izinsuku zami zokuba inkosazana zizulelwa amanqe. Isize yabamba ebikade zingela mina. Uyena miyenike lo engangintshela ngaye ebusheni bami. Le ndoda ngithanda nami evami.
So yeah, bengifonela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi one more lala.
Ithona uzizwa kanjani?
Angazi, like it's so real. I wanna show you that the decor outside. Yo usisi ukhipha unyawo baby wakhipha nomlenze konke nebeli. Yo. Hayibo kwaze kwa clean kwaze kwakuhla kwaze iyabona nje yo. Usuzocela uthini? Usuzocela uthini?
Ngathi ngicela lapha umfazi manje. Uyegeni thayi phazonqabile.
Azungabi.
Ayubabe lo mfazi manje bakulungi.
Yabheda lo mfazi.
Ngizobe ngithayi manje yabheda lo mfazi akulungangi.
It feels so real. Ngizokutshengisa outside ne.
Yazi ampunto ama kusinkhindela noma sampunto ama-favorite ethombe. Sengibukela amavidiyo lasasenza yo-Chris Brown yasho nethweni yangi.
When we were young. Drunk in love. We are reminiscing manje. We started from the bottom, now we're here. We had a big family meeting. It was so nice. Yo, we were talking. Phela manje nje gonna clean, like set up. Yo baby, the decor ngithi mina idecor. Ngimuhle ntombi yakho yinhle. Uzombona. Angazi umbona kusasa uzombona angazi. Angazi mhlawumbe uzombona mhlawumbe ngeke angazi. Ngizobona ngawe. But bangenze kahle ekhanda, ngimuhle. I can't wait to be your wife.
Yeah. Ngiyisa lapha ngisho ukuthi madoda ade sekuphumitheke ukuthi kufanele uqoqe. Siyabafana maqoqe manje. Siyabafana maqoqe manje. Uqobela abafana.
Angeke uqobela abafana.
Mina kusasa lokho kusasa ngiyala lapha manje.
Ngabe usungicrossa kusasa.
Izokhosa kanjani-ke mathina?
Sungicrossa namadeko asecelile.
Singabe sisenza. It's permanent.
Uthe nje uyena ozobe esesangweni. Uyobe sebalela nokuthi kade wayumthuma. Yosihlekeni la ekhaya. So officially sekumhla ka-20. We're doing this.
Yes, we are.
There's no turning back.
Angeke sikhosa khuleka. Ngeke sibaleke. I'm gonna send you our first encounter, ne? Lapho Instagram live on Sunday. I took a screenshot of that moment.
Is it a screen recording or a screenshot?
It's a screenshot. I took a screenshot.
Okay, send me the screenshot.
Our first encounter, 6 May 2021. His cat was 14:53.
6 May. So Tini.
I love you too.
This is the final setup. I did this. Let me show you. Yeah, we're gonna put our water bottles, Lapayana, Makongi here, my ankles. Yeah. It's cutting much. Guys, I'm glad. Sesaba nokulala sithi nje mesalala kusovele kuse how are you feeling? Guys, the time kuyoshaya u-2 ke manje kusho ukuthi sengisaba nokulala. Ngisaba because I'll miss my makeup appointment, but also the way ngifisa khona right now ngifisa ngathi ngizike low makeup because I want to sleep.
Bozayami, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching until this part. I appreciate you and I love you so much, Bozayami. I cannot wait to see you on my big day. Be on the lookout and please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, so you'll be updated. I'm still gonna post the interview videos. I'm still gonna post my shorts. I'm still gonna post my reels and the beautiful pictures. Ngiyathanda kakhulu Bozayami. Please ukubona kwivideo elandelayo. Kulungile ke. Bye.
Kaze nga happy. La ngathi kushada mina nayi.